Hey there, drone enthusiasts and adventurers. Welcome back to Gadget World, where we embark on journeys through the latest in tech innovation. Today, we're soaring through the skies with the DJI Mini 2 SE, a drone designed to redefine your aerial experiences. Join us as we unpack its incredible features and discover how it can elevate your drone photography and videography. Let's take flight! The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a compact and foldable design, making it incredibly portable for your on-the-go escapades. It's not just a drone, it's your passport to capturing stunning aerial footage. With the ability to shoot in 7K video resolution, the DJI Mini 2 SE delivers breathtaking aerial content that's brimming with detail and vivid colors. Your footage will stand out from the crowd. Enjoy the freedom of exploration with a remarkable video transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. This means you can pilot your drone further, all while enjoying crystal clear visuals. Say goodbye to rushed flights. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, allowing you to capture more stunning shots with each takeoff. Safety is paramount, and the drone's return to home feature ensures it safely returns to its takeoff point with a simple tap on the controller, enhancing flight security. Unlock your creative potential with automatic shooting modes that effortlessly create professional-grade shots. Your aerial content will be nothing short of spectacular. Before you take flight, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with local drone regulations and restrictions to ensure safe and responsible flying. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 2 SE is not just a drone. It's your gateway to capturing the world from a breathtaking perspective. Its compact design, high-quality video capabilities, extended flight time, and intelligent features make it an excellent choice for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts. If you found this review insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Gadget World for more drone reviews and tech insights. Explore the DJI Mini 2 SE through our Amazon affiliate link below. Your support fuels our passion for exploring the latest in drone technology. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've experienced the DJI Mini 2 SE or if you're considering it for your aerial adventures. Until next time, may your flights be smooth and your perspectives be limitless.